Now we're given 1423 base 5 divided by 24 base 5. The way you do your long division, you want to write out the divisor out here, 24 base 5, then 1423, which is the dividend, inside here. But there's a difference here. There's something you're going to do now. Watch and see what I'm going to do. Now, I want to get the multiples of 24 in base 5, because that is what we use in doing this division. Now, look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 24 times 1 in base 5. 1 times 4 is still 4. 1 times 2 is 2. So it's still 24 base 5. 24 times 2 to the base of 5. Now, 2 times 4 is 8. Once it is up to the base, you divide by the base. So 2 times 4 is 8. Now, 8 can be divided by 5. 1 times remainder 3. The remainder is what you write first. Then you're carrying this one now. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus this one we carry is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Remainder 0. So you write the remainder first. Then you write this one. Still in the base of 5. You go again. Now, why am I doing these multiples? Because now watch my division here. 24 cannot divide 1. You cannot divide 14. Now, 24 divide 1, 4, 2. You need to list out the multiples to guide you, because the inverse of multiplication is what? Division. So if you are able to get the product or the multiples of that divisor, you'll be able to do this division. So let us keep going until we get either 142 or a value closer to 142. Then we stop. So 24 times 3 to the base of 5. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, how many times can 5 divide 12? This is 12 divided by 5. 5 will divide 12 2 times, remainder 2. Because 2 times is 10. Then remaining 2 to make it 12. So write the remainder here. Then it is, we're not carrying this 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus the 2 we carried is 8. You can see that 5 can divide 8. 1, remainder 3. So remainder first, then the 1. We go again. 24 times 4 to the base of 5. 4 times 4 is 16. Now I want to say, how many times can 5 go into 16? It is 3 times. 5, 10, 15. So it is what? 3, remainder 1. Now the remainder, we'll write it here. Then the 3, we're carrying the 3. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the 3 we are carrying is 11. So 11 divided by 5 becomes 5 into 11 is 2 times. 2 remainder 1, because 2 times is 10. Remaining 1 to make it 11. So write the remainder first, then you write 2. Okay, I think we'll stop here now, because the 142 that I want to divide, this multiple is more than the 142. So let me stop here. Now, watching here, I will now start my division. 24 divide 142. This is the most acceptable one, because this one is more than 142, but this one is nearer to 142. So you take the one that is either equal to the dividend or closer to the dividend, which is 132. So that means 24 divided 142 becomes 3 times. You write your 3. 3 times 24 becomes, 3 times 24 is this 132 here, 132. You do your subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now use an arrow to bring down the next value, which is 103. 24 divided 103, you go to the multiple again. Look at 24 divided 103, because 24 times 2 is 103. That means 24 divided 103 is 2. So we have 2 here. 2 times 24 is 103. So that when you now subtract this, you get 0 as your answer. Try this and tell me what you got as your answer in the comment section. Bye.